Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT without limitations. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the short version is you can't completely remove ChatGPT's usage limit. Every plan has some form of rate limiting, fair use policy, or even tool cap. Even higher tier plans can temporarily throttle heavy usage. So what we can do is maximize how much you get out of ChatGPT. So the first thing I suggest doing is use a paid plan. So if I click into my name, this account, I'm on a free plan. So you want to go ahead and change that. So you want to go ahead and click on try plus for free. So go ahead, if you got that option, go ahead and claim the free offer, and then that's going to remove some restrictions and it's going to give you more advanced models, even more messages and uploads, etc. But if you are on a paid plan, I suggest moving on to the higher tier plan. So go ahead and click on see all plans. So we'll go ahead, say if you're on the Go plan, go for the Plus or even the Pro. And now these advanced models are going to give you better performance during peak hours as well. So free users hit limits much faster than you've got Go, Plus and Pro. Another thing what we can do is combine tasks into one prompt. So instead of saying write an intro, add examples, make it longer, send one detailed request, which will help. So write a 1,000-word beginner guide with examples, facts and conclusions. So this reduces message usage and often produces better results as well. Now we can also use projects for large tutorials, coding projects, research, or content creation. Keep everything in one project. Upload reference files once. Maintain context without repeating instructions. Now this is going to save messages and time.